Welcome to this tutorial on how to add a bank card to your Selldone wallet for auto-withdrawal of Selldone fees and license plans. Adding your card ensures seamless and automated payments, so you never have to worry about manual renewals. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. From Main Dashboard, click on Wallet. Click on Wallet. Next, select an account from your wallets. After that, click on Cards. Click on Add My Card. Select Stripe to complete the $5 payment, which will be added as credit to your Selldone wallet. Enter your card information and pay. And that's it. You've successfully added your bank card to your Selldone wallet, enabling auto-withdrawal for Selldone fees and license plans. Now, your payments will be handled securely and automatically. If you found this tutorial helpful, check out our other guides for more tips. Thanks for watching and happy selling.